Running an agency, stop wasting time building funnels and automations from scratch. Today, I'm showing you the best Go High Level templates that will save you hours and help you scale faster. First, lead generation template, perfect for agencies targeting local businesses. It captures leads instantly through landing pages, automated emails, and SMS follow-ups. This template helps you get results without reinventing the wheel. Next, the appointment booking template. Agencies can set up a calendar, automate reminders, and even follow up with no shows. It's ideal for coaching, consulting, and service-based businesses. Finally, the high ticket sales funnels template. Designed for premium clients, it nurtures leads through multi-step email sequences, one-click upsells, and automated booking pages, all fully customizable for your agency branding. Pro tip, mix and match these templates for your clients to create a fully automated agency system that runs on autopilot. And that's a look at best Go High Level templates for agencies. Grab these templates, customize them, and start delivering results fast, saving time and closing more clients. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.